I'm a lady, so I twirl my spaghetti. What's up, cuties?
This is your favorite cuties, Ketchup.
Welcome to another episode of our DTV vlog. Right now we're heading to Hongdae to get our gel nails done at the tropical nail finally.
It's been a long time since our last gel nail. I think last time was when we
Before Jakarta trip, right?
Yeah. So we're super excited about today's DTV with you guys.
So let's we gotta run. It's raining, that's why we are standing here. So let's hurry. I'm doing the earring that one of our cuties gave it to us.
Oh, the one that broke? Oh yeah.
But it's still pretty because it's like an odd earring.
Yeah.
So like
This is from Nicole.
Yeah.
I think it's from Nicole.
Thank you, Nicole. And then this is the Bershka jacket that's half. Then I'm wearing this pink sweatshirt, and then my usual pants with the side slit, an H&M, and her bag from Cafu. Pretty.
So here's Kyujin's outfit of the day.
Bershka. Bella. And then her usual rider jacket. This is also from Cafu. From I, the heart slit. And then the shoe.
It's raining too much.
So tropical nail is at the 3rd floor.
I guess we came too early. 원장님's not here.
Hello. So pretend you're having your nails done.
Hey baby, I've been longing for so long. Yeah. Please know what you do.
Waiting for 원장님.
So for today's nail, we might try glass nail because glass nail is kind of popular these days, and we see a lot of glass nails on Instagram. So
Stop calling me, just ruin me. I've been through daily, sometimes I feel lonely, sometimes I feel I'm naked. I've been wandering around, it's been faking. Please know what you do. What else you do to me, baby? Stop calling me, just ruin me, boy. No matter what you do to me, oh, yeah. Stop calling me, just ruin.
Kinda hungry.
finally, we saw this glass nail so many times on the social media, and I really want to try it.
Yeah. And we have it on our fingernails. Yeah. So pretty. Thank you so much, Tropical Nail.
There's one thing that Seogyo Wanjang님 wants to clear it up, which is that this Tropical Nail is operated by herself only.
Yeah.
So if two cuties come together, one cutie needs to wait just like how we did.
Yeah.
Like she did it first, and I have to wait for her.
Yeah. So just keep in mind that if two cuties come, one cutie needs to wait. So, yeah.
Also, English speaking is welcome, so make sure to check it out.
Yep.
So now we're heading to Gangnam because we're gonna get our hair treatment at Lumio Beauty House. And I really hope Dong-Yang is there. I haven't seen her for a while. Yeah, so let's go.
We get high, we get high, we get high, we get high, we get high.
As always, this place now really feels like home. So today I'm gonna get a treatment and maybe trim my hair just a little bit, like, you know, like maybe like that much, half an inch. hair's fading. And again, our favorite biscuit. Whenever time I come here, I look forward to this. So sweet and good and crunchy. Just did some shampoo and I think I kind of fell asleep because he kind of massaged my scalp and it was so good. Currently steaming my hair. Yo, oh my god, this is so cool. Where is it? The wind is so strong, you can feel it. Second and last steaming. So hungry. Ta-da! Ooh, I think the color kind of fade away. This part used to be darker, but can you please stop? Oh, Kiwan's finished. So pretty. Oh, look how it look how it bounces as I run. Oh, just inhaled smoke. What's up, kitty? This is few days, about a week. Yeah. Week or two after our hair treatment and also our gel nails, and it's still going strong. If you guys mention QQ Twins, Cap and Housae will be more than happy to give you guys 30% off for our cuties. Yes, whether that has to be a haircut or hair dye, or hair bleach, or styling, anything, or whatever. Yeah. And before we leave, he gave us like a gift again. Let's unbox with our cuties. Yeah, I think he gave us the same thing. Yeah, like this. So what is this? This is Moroccan. This is same as this, but these are like a sample traveling size. Yeah, traveling size. This is a Moroccan oil treatment. Treatment oil. Yeah, so after you wash your hair on your wet hair, just put it on and then just air dry it. Ooh. I can actually drink this. It smells like vanilla extract. Yeah. Yum. Okay, and the next one he gave us is this Eco Fluid. What? But this is also, you don't wash it. Okay, say both essence and treatment at the same time. Oh, so these are all used after I wash my hair. Ooh, I'm so excited to try these. Thank you so much, Captain Housae. Thank you so much. You didn't have to. And this is perfect. We'll bring this during our trip to Philippines. Oh, and before we go, there's also one more QQ event. So Tropical Nail was kind of to hold this QQ event where our cuties can get a lot of discount at Tropical Nail. There's like a lot of different discounts, such as 50% off your acrylic extension, and like for example for gel nail art without any extension you can get 30,000 won discount if you're paying cash. So we'll list all the discount details at the description box below. Yeah. So make sure to check it out if you're planning to go to Tropical Nail and get your nails done. So the next video is going to be QQ's cooking show where we make our favorite vegan gluten-free spaghetti. Hope you guys enjoy. We filmed this like, when did we film this? I don't remember. Really long time ago. And we hope you guys enjoy. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning, kitties. I'm starting off this DTV without kitchen. Behind the scenes. We're trying to prepare all the ingredients first before we start the cooking show. Do your intro, my love. Welcome to QQ's cooking show. Is it good? Yes, okay. It's perfect. Okay. Perfect. So today we're gonna make a gluten-free vegan spaghetti. This is a recipe that we have been always using to make our own spaghetti. First of all, we're using rice noodle instead of the pasta. This will instantly lower your calories, so it's much healthier for you, right? And we're gonna eat 4 servings. You need some carrots, tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, mushrooms, green onion, and garlic, sugar. And we got this today. It's a parsley, and this is our favorite garlic powder. Yeah, garlic powder. And the last ingredient is this ketchup tomato, which is sugar-free. And actually, our mom got this for us, and it's really hard to find a canned tomato in Korea. So that's why we're using the actual tomato, and we're gonna pour some of these tomato ketchup. But it tastes like it's just like a pure tomato sauce, so second baby, a third baby. Okay, boil. We're gonna chop garlic, green onion, and onion first. Okay, how do you do it, chef? Yeah. So I'm gonna start chopping the onion. I should have done that. Now we're gonna chop the garlic. Let's see how our tomato babies are doing right now. Hello! Help me! Help! I like chunks. Yeah. So like that. And chunks. I love corn. My corn. Mushroom's ready. Yep. Gonna chop these two carrots. Yep. We'll just chop it into square. Yeah. Just a bite size. Ooh, the carrots are ready. Yes. Whoa! It doesn't need to be like fully cooked because eventually you're gonna put it in the pan without the vegetable. Yeah, but like it can go through. It's soft enough to go through. Whoa! Be careful, man. So all the ingredients are ready and they're ready to go to the pan. So we're gonna put all these small ingredients first. Green onion. Garlic. If you think the ingredients are getting a little bit sticky to the pan, put a little bit of water. Like that. Garlic. Sprinkle. Unicorn dandruff. Parsley. Put a lot of it. I love it. Yay! Just put the lid on the top and simmer for about 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh, it's like brain. Sister! Brain. Sister, embryo. Yeah. Okay, now shake it. Put a lot. Yes. Yeah. Okay, there. That's good. Now we're gonna put the sugar and the sweet. By the way, you guys also need to put some salt, but we're not putting salt because we don't like eating too salty. Yes! Okay, so while that is simmering, we're gonna hurry cook our noodles. These are our favorite noodles. These are actually used for pho. I bet this is more than 4 servings. Really? Whoa. This is 8 servings. What? Yeah, I think we should put this. Yeah. This is 4 servings. It looks so little, man. We definitely need more. More! Ooh. We'll save this up for next time. Oh my god, that looks like a lava, man. Oh my god. So while those babies are getting all cooked there nicely, I'll start cleaning here. This is a nut that our cutie gave it to us during our Indonesia meet and greet. It's so good. Very interesting texture. I still quite don't get what the taste is like. It's definitely nut, but I don't know how to describe the taste. Yeah, but it's really good. See that? It's by this brand called East Forest Nourishing Life, and this is a spicy salted caramel. 100% natural, rich in antioxidant, high in vitamin E, rich in magnesium, good source of omega-3, vegan-friendly, keto-friendly, gluten-free, non-GMO. Okay. Such a soft texture. So nutty. So good. This is like, this is our last one. I need to go to Indonesia. Also, our cuties gave us this black man cookies. There's one cookie left. There's like one left, which we're saving it. So good. Thank you, cuties. Thank you. This is the size of our spaghetti bowl. Yes! Ooh, sexy. One for my sister. Yes. One for me. A lot, please. A lot, please. Thank you. It's gonna go all here. Okay, I think these are good enough. Yeah. Wow, look at this sauce. Looks so good. It kind of looks like curry. I don't know. Foodgasm. Yes. Woohoo. We're just gonna put a little more parsley on the top. Good enough. Yeah. Before we eat, we need to do a usual thumbnail. Hey, make sure you don't spill it, okay? Okay, you got that.
Oh my god! Look at the moment of truth. Hey, here's my first bite. I'm a lady, so I twirl my spaghetti.
So good.
Hey.
So good, sister.
Really? Oh my god.
So good, right? So good, right?
This is amazing.
We worked out this morning so hard to eat this. You need to try that. Oh my god. I love this noodle. So happy. This is actually our first time using mom's tomato ketchup. It's actually really good. So if you cuties also have a trouble finding the canned tomato, we'll put the details about our ketchup tomato sauce on the description box. And I like the fact that they didn't put any like sugar inside. Keep eating.
Let's bye. Oh, bye, spaghetti. It was nice meeting you.
So good.
Is mommy a starfish?
고양이 빈지게 쳐는 자세로 일어난다. 하체 풀기 효과.
Oh my god. Clear, clear. So, hope you guys enjoyed this DTV and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. I got no chauffeur to chauffeur me. I got no chauffeur to chauffeur me. I got no chauffeur.